ano masasabi mo? Anong reaction mo doon?
Nakakatuwa.
Yee! Okay. Nicki Minaj.
What up, little bud? How are you doing today, people? I love you, Philippines.
Ay, kanta po.
Thank you. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get a wet. Let's say, what's it gonna say? I'm a trick, click, bound to bow like bad girls like me. So hot to come by the patron. Let's go get it on the song. Thank you.
Okay. In fairness ha, yung galaw, yung swag, kuhang-kuha niya ha. Sino? Lady Gaga, gusto niyo kumanta? Okay, go.
When you're on the ground,
Right. Okay. Sir Jet Mandela.
I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing. 'Cause even when I dream of you, the sweetest you would never do, I still miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.
Yan. Fairness ka-size din, no? Okay. Next. Sarah. Coach Sarah.
Good afternoon, Bapasters.
Ala, sige, adiyo ko. Ano na? Ay! Ay, in fairness, yung tawa, no? Your song for Gerald. Okay lang, Kim? Okay.
Well, it just takes two stars to get up so high. One touch of blue to paint up the sky.
Gago! Kapay tayo siya. Okay. Wala ba kamukha si Mami Divine?
Hindi ko yung mommy ko.
Saan? Kamukha niya si Mami Divine?
Ah?
Hindi niya kamukha eh. Okay, next. Sige na nga, Duncan. Bayan.
Good afternoon.
Ano?
The love of my life, it's just forever. I will be right here by your side.
Okay.
There'll be no photo.
Alright.
We shall as lovers, right from the heart, from my to your soul. I will give it to you for good. My every little things that I have more than willing, I will give
Wala?
to you.
Thank you. Totoo, Duncan o ano, Vic Soto, yung totoo. Nina! Atis ka buhok,
Sa inyo
oh.
lahat.
Oo. Andito ko na ulit. Di ba may away kayo ng showtime? Di ba? Okay, sige.
Nag-apologize na po ako sa Showtime family nung unang appearance ko. So, kapamilya na ako ulit.
Oo, pero we just like to inform you na hindi ka pinapatawad, ha? Okay, go. Go.
Through the fire,
Lagot.
running me through the wall, for a chance to be with you, I'd gladly risk it all. Through the fire, through whatever come what may, for the chance of loving you, I'd take it all away. Right down through the world, even through the fire.
Sir, galaw-galaw po. Ayan, thank you po. Thank you, sir. Diyos ko, kinakabahan na. Kasi naman, magpapatrol pa siya, tapos sila namin, Sir Jay Durias! Galaw-galaw pa. Opo.
Dapat mo mag-isip, hindi na maintindihan.
Patay.
Kung anong nararamdaman, dapat mo malaman, sa puso ko ikaw lamang.
Patay.
Ang nag-iisa.
Okay. Thank you. Good afternoon, guys. You wanna show my abs? Oh, look. You wanna show my abs? Wala naman sa amin yan, ha? Kim, ano masasabi mo doon, Kim? Wanna show my abs daw? Ano masasabi mo?
Sige, go!
Ito naman, sige ko, mali nga yung grabe.
Don't you remember you told me
Wow!
baby, you came to me coming back this way again. Baby, baby, I love you. I wanna read.
Grabe. Papabuhat na mo ng mineral water? Thank you, Usher, ha? Tingin ho. Chansinyang siya.
안녕하세요.
Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요, Kim.
Oh, ano yung nasayo? Kakanta po tayo, sir? Okay, go po.
First of all, I'd like to invite last my concert in Mawari.
Last night concert. Okay, go mo lang yan. I-push natin yung last night concert. Okay, go.
Concert in Mawari. I'd like to invite all those
Tapos na, i-invite mo pa kami.
my fans
Those my will fans. Ano ba yan?
not attending on Mawari na.
Okay.
I have a second concert on
Oh!
Showtime.
Ay, yun naman pala.
My everything too.
Oo. Bitin po yung polo natin. Kasi umangat yun. Yan. Okay, kanta po tayo.
세상 나연은 변한 속아 있어 갈수록 자라나는 내가
Okay na yan. Thank you. Kasi hindi namin naiintindihan ni India. Short na lang. Halimin ho. Jarul! What's up, brother?
Yo, what's up?
Tara yan.
afternoon.
Sample tayo ng kanta ni Jarul.
Samuel, the way you walk, the way you look, the way you talk, the way you stay, the way you look, style your hair.
Ano nga sabi mo sinasabi nila na husga ka daw?
Arrest.
Ano na?
Okay lang, sir.
Jarul is Jarul. Okay, thank you, Jarul. Oh my God. Okay. Nagre-react po si Mr. Bean. Parang hindi niya nagugustuhan ang mga nangyayari. Okay, Michael Jackson, welcome back. Nasaan po yung gloves ninyo?
Oh, like what I said later. I take the fans.
Tinapon mo sa mga fans.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright. Nakaibig po ba? Kasi parang walang bukol. Okay.
I love you.
Sige po. I love you din. Tulay.
She was more like a beauty queen from overseas. Said the mighty, what do you mean? I am the one.
Oy!
Here around.
Oh! Galing, ha? Thank you, MJ. O, punasan mo yung mic. Try yan. Punasan mo maigi. Nilawan. Nag-beatbox siya dyan. Bahala ka din. Brian, kanta ka na ang mga teleserye theme songs, no? Okay, kanta ka na.
Ano pa lang, talaga ako kumakanta pero gagawin ko.
Wow, hindi ka kumakanta, ha? Okay.
Bakit kapag tumitingin ka? Kapag sumalapit ka, makabog ang puso ko. Bakit kapag nandito ka, sumasaya ang araw ko? Lahat ng bagay sa mundo parang walang gulo.
Yun! Nakitawid mo yun, ha? Jessica Sanchez, welcome to Manila again.
Hello, hello to all the Blue Jays out there.
Okay, o sample.
Cause we ain't even alert tonight. We're on a planet where the dudes got money and they're not afraid to spend it. Ayo, ayo, and everything is alright. Ayo, ayo, and
Alright.
everything is alright.
Yun! Ang galing, ha? Kuha mo, in
Thank you so
fairness.
much.
May team lang yung tuhod ng konti,